Sure, I'm not the only one. Okay, I'm gonna stop dropping stuff. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Zen Den. My name is Valerie, and today I will be showing you how to create the perfect cat liner. I've always been asked about this from my friends and family, so I decided to make a quick little video on how to make the perfect cat liner, or just the way that I do it, I guess. So stay tuned for that. And also, if you haven't already, I made a video how to create this eyeshadow look using two of my favorite palettes on my Instagram. So go ahead, head over there and check it out and like it if you like it. And yeah, just stay tuned for that cat liner look. Guys, let's just ignore the crater on my face. I missed you guys and I wanted to make a video, so I just said, what the hell, I'm just gonna film it even if, oh my god, so embarrassing. So far, my favorite liquid liner is, it's all scratched up, but it is the NYX liquid matte liner. I like the matte finish better than the glossy finish, but that's just me. And this one is so pigmented and it dries out really quick, so I am in love with it. But if you guys have any other suggestions on other products that you guys like, leave a comment down below. And yeah, let's get started. The cat liner. Alright, so this is just my method. I'm not saying anybody else is wrong or that I'm right. This is just the way I do it. So if you like it, awesome. But you don't have to obviously do it the way that I do it. I just want to show you guys how I do it. Alright, so I usually just start like this on the lid. I know some people start with the wing, but I've done this for such a long time now that this is the way that I feel comfortable starting the liner. After I am done deciding how thin or thick I want the liner to be, I take the eyeliner tip, I bring it right on the corner where the lids, both lids meet, if that's the right term, I guess. I just go like this, little by little. I just draw on more and more until I feel the comfortable size of how long I want the wing to be. And once I decided that, I just start drawing everything together. Sometimes it does get a little messy and I have to do it over and over again. Or sometimes what always pisses me off is that the thinnest part is a little chunky, and I like to have it really thin, so that is so annoying to me. All right, let's move on to the next eye. And the thing that always happens to me is that one of them comes out better than the other one, and then I go back and try to fix the other one and it still doesn't look as good, so I just like end up making the wing up to like over here. And yeah, the struggle of the eyeliner. So really what it is, it's just being patient about it. That's what's made me perfect it. I have so much patience for some reason. I feel like it relaxes me. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want me to try a product or suggest a video, please let me know on the comments below, or comment on one of my Instagram pictures or videos. and I will try my best to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and to like the video and tell your friends about me, obviously. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will see you guys on the next one.